Hey Jarvis, welcome to another episode of Pranking People, the episode 5 of Pranking People. And sorry, I haven't made any episode of Pranking People for like 1 year about that. So the last episode I've asked for some suggestions, and I got one suggestion. Well, two suggestions. I mean, one of them is a suggestion from Down Sprites, and he suggests this. I can give you a troll. So the best 1, 2, 3. So you can buddy some people or find your buddy if they're on. Then you should tell them to go to your den. After they do, you should reverse it and act totally confused. Say stuff like, "So why do you want me to come to your den, to my den?" etc. Then get into it more and make them confused. And here's another suggestion. Another troll from Down Sprite. That's the same person. He suggests too that go make a new account, then find your friends that you have on your normal account, then say you made a new AJ account because our bus got hacked and you can't get into it. After that, say you emailed the AJHQ and they sent you the password and a message. Then say, "I will tell you the message." After they say, "What is it?" or "Okay," you should say the message said that you've been trolled. So I will pick the first one. Okay, so let's get it started. Well, I will modify a little bit the troll. Well, not really, but a little bit. So I'll knock my den until awesome den at my den. I hope some people will come, because sometimes people don't come. Sadly, no one wants to come, apparently. Someone can. Yes! So I'm like, I can totally go shoot. Okay, let's just see what he said. I am not weird. Okay. Wait. Sorry guys, my computer lagged. Yeah, so I thought that guy would be gone after I revealed AJ, but he still has continued the troll. I'm so trolling right now. I bet he's like confused right now. I'll kick him out more then. Okay, so we've got another troll here by Silver Spade. Yeah, so here's the troll by Silver Spade that she suggests. It's maybe go to a random person's den and say, "Hi, I'm Julian too. I've been hacked and I heard you were my biggest fan. Wait for the confusion." Okay, so I will do this one. Just check. I'll just go to a random person then. If it's not, right, I'll just say who's big Julian 2 fan. I see no one it is. I'm waiting for the person to come in his den and hurt him. Yeah. I think so, it's working. So just be in Jam Township. So I'll say something else, then hack. Maybe my account got scammed. I don't know. I guess no one believes me. So this joke didn't really work. But the other one kind of worked. Yeah, so that will be it for this episode of pranking people. So bye, and once again, if you have any other suggestions for trolls that will not be like very mean to people, you can write them in the comment section below. Alright, bye.